Most businesses are walking around trying to complete strangers. Hi, I'm Sabri Suby, and 4 short years ago, I was no different. I started my business cold calling from my bed, desperately searching for new clients, and it was tough. I had no money, no venture capital or business loans. Everything that I'd learned left me dead broke and frustrated. Instead of giving up, I started from scratch. I went deep. I studied the chemical makeup of the brain, old research journals, and the most successful advertisers for the past 200 years. And most of what I tried didn't work until I went against the grain and found something so outrageously powerful to sell like crazy. I applied it to my business and it exploded. And over the last 4 years, I have spent millions of dollars battle testing and meticulously refining this secret selling system. And I've deployed it in over 167 different niches and markets. And the results were ridiculous. Word got out and I started to get attention. I became the advisor to billion-dollar brands and thousands of small to medium-sized businesses. Everybody wanted to know what my secret selling system was and how they could apply it to their own business. Then we got ranked as the 28th fastest growing business in the country by the Australian Financial Review. My company had a wait list of new clients. Fast forward to today, and this selling system is responsible for generating over $400 million in sales for me and my clients. And I finally mastered this process and turned it into an 8-phase secret selling system that turns complete strangers into high-paying clients like clockwork. I've detailed every single element of this step-by-step selling system in my brand new book, Sell Like Crazy. Simply click the link below this video and never again worry about where your next customer will come from.